Hello all. Live Jam Spotify in here URL.
Hello for a short time. Asphalt Legends United, episode 233. Just checking up a little bit. And then I'm going to the bedroom and sleeping away and just, you know, that's it actually. Bye bye.
Or URL. Play MP. You banned. Don't teach me as a construction worker, never. How I should deal my job done. It's a hobby here. Fiuk MP. I like only Team Pursuit. Uncoupled. I'm 700 hours now on this game since 4 PSNX. Since 1/6 May 2025 now. In LS. Let's lose.
Train it up. Another quitter. Bayerisches Meisterwerk. Thousand cuts to Putin. Job right. This core maxed out. Can't win this one. D. Maxed out on D. Totally bullshit, let's try. Čisto kampanja šlo, bi se v bistvu ljudsko prosti nek špim. Holy shit, so many stoppers in the server. They don't want that you win. They like to see you bleeding. Shit game. If you have a Bugatti, you losing this one as well. You just want to make money, cash in. That's the only thing since actually 50 years now. Money, cash in. And let's suffer the other countries. Fucking humanity. Care about the economically and all the air stuff. Source 2 was actually in action to let the humanity actually know that actually a small virus can actually unpopularity the whole world. What will happen actually for a little bomb in South Africa or North Africa that's just sending then actually all over the world? They can be done like Trump actually. Whatever they been done with, killing and just getting actually children away, kidnap them. Nobody reacts in the world. Why not they start enough to atom actually the whole world? Nobody cares on them. They're just making this. Worse air, bad air, acid rain. Shit happens. Nobody cares about that one. The professionals call politics. And these politics are not professional. It's worse than the work is actually what you're thinking in the mind to have for freedom and peace and all over the world, even with religions. They give a fuck, these politics. They manage only actually our household about money. Where we get the next energy squeal actually down. When we don't get it from Russia, then we get it actually from North Korea or something like the shit. Or India. I said maybe America. Nothing. Blah blah blah, they're talking blah 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 blah. 365 days actually a year and do nothing about the world. They make it worse and worse and worse, and they get money from our hard-earned money from a construction worker around $2,000 maybe a month. Maybe. Fuck politics. So, neat, itch, right, down the bottom of it. My code? Nothing? Okay. God damn it, not my teammate. Well, I tried. 4 times. I quit. Better than go down multiplayer shit. Time wasting crap. See how far I came. Hmm? I'm going home like a warrior. what these politici actually going home, they threw actually taxes out of the window. Because the other states of the world just gave a fuck about Germany. Gives a fuck about all these talking about G20 or something. They gives a fuck. And be paid for that. Vinod was involved with that. Thanks do not actually let us know, only over the news, that he was there. Even your flight was worthy like $1 million. Thanks for that shit. Our taxes goes actually to the sink of the fucking toilet. Look, Zelensky, he's trying very hard. What happened the next day? A part of Ukraine just was bombed hardcore. The postal office, the train yards. They really want to have war with Ukraine. They don't want to say, actually, this is my country, Ukraine. They want to suffer and let them pay for Russia and the Ukraine. Huh? This Putin is 5 times a psychopath, actually, more than Nazi Hitler, Adolf Hitler. You piece of shit, Putin, seriously. And then Trump is following, and then actually Adolf Hitler is coming off, and then maybe the North Korean president. But I don't know, really. Piece of shit. You fucking humanity are thinking like you have to pay for everything. What the fuck? What are you? A sadist something? You're German? You all over the world peoples? Trump getting his, what's it calling? Simply to say, the assistant president actually was saying, if I don't get actually done these kind of intelligent prize for peace, you know, I know he get actually something from FIFA, own made by the FIFA president manager. And you just like Trump, and you like all over whatever that happened. Are you the gloves of Trump? You know, I'm already in the hell. And there was so much that every person that believes in Trump, Russian President Putin, and North Koreans Kim Jong-un or something, you suffer every day with diarrhea, having problems with your body system. I hope you are dying very hardcore in pain. You piece of shit. You're not thinking about peace. You're not thinking of nothing. You never was actually in military, never in pain, jail. Just work less than staying home. I'm talking shit. I'm talking for all over the countries, all over the world, not only Germany or America. Congratulations. Your family just be ruined by be having a pleasure of doomsday about the generations of families that they just try to create something and you're just making it down right now since 50 years now. Deflect your family with the shit of thinking actually these AIs handling your life and stupid politics handle your life. The only thing what you are, you're already dead. Just working for them to get the taxes to them. Nothing more. If you build up a house or something, fine ass for some peoples and saying, oh, finally, we did it. Don't worry. All these taxes was going into war. Doesn't matter where we live in. How can you be proud of your life for every single person on earth? I hope something else coming up. If it's a sun, extraterrestrial, hope the fucking world goes down very fast. Fuck life. It's a piece of shit. Look at me. I'm nothing. I have nothing. Not even family. Fuck life. Working my ass off all the time. Nothing happens. Always the same situation. Congratulations. 1 million versus 1. What will happen? Frustration. But don't worry, I'm not leaving into an armored run. I'll stay at home and watching the situation and kill myself. Don't worry. I grow up like that. I'm a piece of shit, I stay a piece of shit. Don't worry. I'm nothing. Nothing to honor myself. I'm a piece of shit. That's why I'm not training myself, that's why I'm not actually making some karate stuff or something else. I'll be actually with my IQ of 136 somebody else. I'm just a piece of shit. Waste of life. I don't know why my mother and my father created me. Fuck it. I'm nothing worth. That's why I don't understand the religion stuff. There is no God. There's nothing. There's nothing actually. There's only yourself, and you're talking bubbling actually some imaginary gods. You are so stupid. You're created by bacteria and viruses, maybe by an extraterrestrial, and you're just dealing done with God. You're so stupid. Nothing holds us on this planet. Just flesh and blood. Blood just created by get it what? Yeah, whatever. That's why I don't understand these religion wars. It's totally nonsense. I wish that actually animal can talk, and then religion will be actually nothing worth anymore. Especially presidential stuff for counselors. We're killing every day actually 10,000 people. That's okay, that's fine ass. For no reason, just killing people to threat at other countries. Well, yeah. That's still okay. And we pay for that to reparation what? We pay for them to make a new cycleway. That the blue helmets actually in South America actually have, and South America, Africa, some life to be alive. Why are they creating babies when they see actually we struggling shit pain? For what? Resurrection? So let pay actually the next generation for that? That the mother was killed? 20,000 people in Africa the last 20 years? Just for nonsense? Kidnapped actually right now, children's underage? For this year? Nobody cares. So what the fuck you pay actually for them? To let them actually grow bigger? Kidnap next year actually 40,000 kids or something out of school to be built up in Africa? You stupid? It's the same in the Ukraine war. For what we actually fighting against Russia? Russia is a terrorist. Like North Korea. Kill these motherfuckers. Get these motherfuckers off of the planet. What is your problem? You're talking years long. Nothing happened. You pay for what? You pay in them in the hands. Kill Russia. Kill North Korea. Bomb them. Done. We can live in peace. But the troublemakers still running around our planets like actually they're being gods. Are you stupid and you believe in your god? Fuck Islamists. Fuck the Islam. Kick ass. You've done it. There's no God. I say it. There's no Catholicism. There's no Buddhism. There's no religion. But you idiots don't can believe it. Pay then. Pay for that. I'll be wandering around Earth actually like a ghost, and you are in the hell, or your heaven, or together with your pedophile shit, 14-year young age actually, I don't know, kids, you Muslims. I don't know. Fuck off. It's never happened. If you dead, you dead. You don't feel. You don't come back for somewhere else. Doesn't matter how strong you are as a general or something, you're not coming back as a ghost or something. You're a terrorist. You're killing people. You are a dead person. Thinking you earned actually being an admiral, general or something else, you ass wide open shit window. Can be say actually like alive or something. We will forget you. And we will actually these fucking witches can actually erase your fucking books very fast. You live like puppets. Fuck off. I don't need that. The only thing in this country and all over the world, all these states and countries and whatever you're countering, is money all the time. Who just make this up? There's no normal person on Earth anymore. Even the hobos living under the bridge, they're already terrorists. Cause the family behind. There was actually done something with sluts. You get killed, the only child who is now under the bridge because the business and the government just was saying, you're a terrorist, you're just a fucked up. You handled, actually your father, we handled it with the slut. So you have to live under the bridge and I get your money. Stop that. Bump the whole all over the world, it doesn't matter. That's better than actually making all the time war suffer. You piece of shit country. Speak for Germany. Especially about all over the world. Stop doing that. Stay at home. They shall not try it. Corbett, this is ours too. I don't know. Stay at home. Don't be filthy. I don't give a fuck. Monkeys threw in the shit. Gorillas actually threw in the corpses. And Trump is number one. Then the Russian president, and then the North Korean. And actually these Saudi Arabia, I don't know. They torture peoples every day. Should it be actually 600 peoples every day they torture? Because they don't actually be in his religion, or just be wives. Fuck this world. I hope it dies soon. New bundle, let's say. Ah, bullshit. Yeah, nice bundle. Pay for it. Okay, whatever. If I'm killing peoples, pay taxes, whatever. I pay as well. I feel very lousy. I have to talk about that one. Make whatever you want to be done. Goodbye.